to talk about really why now is the best time to invest in your business. So let's jump into it. Number one, we have shifted into a virtual economy. Whether you are on board or not, we are in a virtual economy. And once this pandemic is over, we are going to stay pretty much a virtual economy, because this is the way that where we're going. We have been practicing for this time where we are now. Some people call it a time of awakening, and it certainly is. But in addition to that, everything has been put into place for this time. And if you are an entrepreneur or business owner and you do not have an online presence currently, or you're thinking about it, now is the time to really have an online presence, to really have your business online. And I know now that a lot of businesses are suffering because they're mainly offline, and some businesses are scrambling to bring their business online right now. So you may be thinking, well, there's so much uncertainty in the world right now, uncertainty with, people in their businesses, or even employing, when you're working, getting paid, or people are being laid off, etc., etc., etc. And you may want to hold on to your money. You may not think, well, now is a good time to really invest in your business. If you have a current business and you want to up level in the online space, and you want to take it to another level, or you want to bring what you currently have offline into the online space, now is the time. Now is not the time to be hoarding and thinking, well, I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm going to talk about, in the next couple points, about where are we going to be at in a couple months. I mean, where I feel and I believe that where we will be, because we will get through this. This too shall pass. And it may take some time, but it shall pass. So number one is that we have shifted into a virtual economy. We all, for the most of us, have, mobile phones, cell phones. We can access the online at the fingertips. So whether it's through your mobile phone, whether it's through your laptop, your computer, the online, the internet, the platforms that are available online are at our fingertips. We have all the apps. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have a whole bunch of online platforms where we can connect with each other, but where we can also do business as entrepreneurs and business owners. So there's no reason why you cannot bring your business online, or create a product, program, or service where you can continue to reach your clients online, even in this economy. So number two, right now with the current economy, where most people are thinking short term, they're only thinking about now. What's the current state of the world? What's the current state of what's going on around them? They're not thinking long term. So I want to invite you as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, to think about long term when it comes to investing in your business. Don't think about now, because this will pass, right? Think about the long term. Think about, if you invest in your business right now, think about the return, the ROI for you and for your business that's going to happen. You may not see the rate of return on your investment immediately, but if you were to think long term, 6 months from now, a year from now, and you can make back the money that you invest in your business, triple it, 10x it, then it would have been worth it, right? But you have to think long term. Do not think about now, because this current economy that we're in, the chaos, the uncertainty, this is only temporary. But the virtual way of doing things is going to stick around. It's going to be more of second nature to all of us. I mean, it's been here for a while. A lot of us have been on board for many years, but now it's really crept into everyone's presence, household. Now we're doing online school where the children are not able to go to school. They have to take their studies online. Universities have shifted to online courses, presentations, and you name it, just to name a couple of examples. So why not your business, and why not now? Now, number 3, there's going to be an uptick in the marketplace when this is all over. Imagine right now, you probably can't get your hair cut. You can't go to the hairdresser. You can't go to the spa. Essential services stores are the only thing that's really readily available and open. It's between certain times where you can get essential foods and items that you really need. But things for grooming, which are not really essential, if you can't do it for yourself at home, right? Can you imagine how it's going to be once we've opened up, once the quarantine is over, and we slowly start getting back into operating business, sort of coming to a new normal? Because I really honestly don't think we're going to go back to the same. It's going to be a new normal, the way we do things, the way we show up, our mindset, the awareness that we've been experiencing during this time over the last couple of months. So there's going to be long lineups at spas, hairdressers, salons, certain clothing stores that are currently closed. Products that are not necessarily an essential will be back in the swing of things. We'll be back in flow. People are going to want to start to get those products on again, and people are going to start to want to get some of the products in the programs if they're not currently purchasing from you, or you currently haven't launched your business or brought your business online. The product, program, and service that you currently have been thinking about, now's not the time to launch it into the world, nobody's gonna buy from me, and all that kind of negative thing. People are going to be lined up, and if you are not ready for when this floodgates open, then you will be left behind. And that's not to say that's in a way to scare you in any way. It's a fact, because there will be an uptake. There's going to be an uptake in the marketplace once this is over. So my question to you is, will you be ready? Will you be ready to serve your clients? And right now, I am inviting you to get ready now, not to wait, because once this is opened up and things have shifted into where we can go back to sort of a new normal, will you be ready to service the clients that have been waiting on the sidelines, sitting on the fence, waiting for this thing to be over? Will you be ready to serve them? And the only way that you can be ready to serve them, if you're not already ready and using this time to really get your ducks in a row, get your business online, get your product, program, and service ready to go, will you be ready? And if you're not ready, what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it now? Not a month from now, not 2 weeks from now, not 3 months from now, but what are you willing to do now to really be in a position to serve and to sell, to bring in the clients, bring in the income, and to have the impact that you desire? So I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Let me know if you're ready. Currently, have you been sitting on the sidelines thinking it's not a good time to invest in your business, to get the support, to really launch and bring your product, program, or service? Let me know. Say, I'm ready, I'm thinking about it, I'm not ready. I'll be curious to hear where your state of mind is in this current economy. And for those who are ready, I can support you. I'm offering in the Dare to Be Iconic Academy, which really helps you to shift your money mindset, heal your relationship with money, as well as to create an offer that will serve your clients, will solve that problem, and will help you to bring in the income and the impact that you desire. Now is the time to invest in your business and in your life like no other time. Now is the time. And right now I do have a 50% off the investment where you can save. And that's the other thing too. Number 4 would be, there are a lot of products and programs where they have a special offer where you can actually save money right now to get the support that you need. If you don't feel, that I'm the one to help you and support you, there are other mentors, coaches, and consultants in the marketplace that are offering an amazing value and support to help you really bring your business online, or really help you up level what you currently have to offer. So if you are ready and you want support and you want to work with me, and you know that I'm the one to help you, you can DM me, or you can put a comment below or an emoji, and I will reach out to you. I will also put the link to the Dare to Be Iconic Academy, where you will save 50% off the investment. It's a 12-week immersion where you will come out transformed. You will come out being clear on what your soul purpose is, who your ideal soulmate clients are, what is the offer, packaging that up to a high-end offer to help serve and facilitate transformation for your ideal clients, and also compensate you divinely and massively so that you can live the life that you so desire. So I hope this message have been of value to you. And if you know of someone who needs to hear this, do share it with them. And I look forward to seeing your comments below, or talking to you in my DMs to give you more information about the Dare to Be Iconic Academy. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.